ClawdBot, ClawdBot, ClawdBot. My DMs, notifications, and comments are absolutely exploding. You guys have been flooding my feed for weeks, screaming for the easiest and safest way to run ClawdBot. Or is it MoltBot? Wait, they changed the name again. It's OpenClaw now. Seriously, I can't keep up. At this rate, by the time I finish this sentence, it'll be called Open Crab or Open Lobster. Who knows? You guys want the brutal truth? I dropped everything for hours to smash this open, and what I saw was a disaster. I see people rushing out to buy Mac Minis like they're collecting Pokemon, spending 3 days playing developer in a terminal they don't understand, or wasting 45 minutes on a Cloudflare tutorial that, let's be real, probably won't even work. Here is the cold hard truth. If you leave an open port on your home network because some random guy on YouTube told you to, you're basically leaving your front door wide open and hanging a sign that says, free crypto and personal data inside. But you know my unbreakable law on this channel. We don't give up and we always find a solution. We aren't here to play IT support for a week. We're here to build. So I'm giving you the ultimate shortcut. We're building a 24/7 secure AI assistant that lives in the cloud, inherits your actual personality, and runs entirely from your phone, no code, no terminal errors, and no Mac Mini paperweights. Here is the roadmap. Step 1, we deploy the environment. Step 2, we build the security vault. Step 3, we inject your actual brain into the bot. And step 4, we put it on Telegram so you can run your business while you sleep. We're using Emergent. Why? Because it's a vibe coding powerhouse. You can start with Emergent for free using my special link in the description. Plus, you can use code INCOMSET5 to get an extra discount if you want to upgrade. We're skipping the Vultr and VPS setups. Just click the MoltBot integration, select Claude 3.5 Opus, and hit Go. While this cooks, trust me, I know how it feels to be stuck on a terminal error for 6 hours. This tool handles the containers, the security, and the hosting instantly. It's taking the developer out of the equation so you can focus on building. Step 2, the security. This is where most people fail. Emergent generates a custom URL with 4.3 billion possible combinations. If someone tries to brute force your bot, good luck. It also forces login authentication. The first person to log in becomes the owner. Everyone else is forbidden. Your bot, your data, your rules. Pro tip, go to ChatGPT, export your entire chat history, and dump it into the knowledge base. Tell the bot your goals, your mission, and your writing style. The more you feed it, the more it actually becomes you. You can give it access to your Gmail, your calendar, even your notes. Imagine an AI that actually knows what's in your inbox and can draft replies in your exact voice. Step 4, let's make it mobile. Open Telegram, find at botfather, and hit /newbot. Name it, grab that API key, and again, keep it secret. Then paste it into the agent settings. Now, hit publish. This keeps the bot alive 24/7 on the server. It costs about $5 a month in credits, which is basically the price of 2 coffees for a full-time employee. Best trade you'll ever make. Stop watching everyone else win. The tools are here. The security is solved. Go start building. I'll see you in the next one.